let's take a look at the foldable and affordable phone stand. Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me Mr. Game here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys for people who likes to have a foldable desktop phone stand. And here is something that I bought from Amazon. It's really affordable and it's foldable at the same time. Same as usual, I'll link everything down in the description box below so you can check that out. And first thing, let's have a look at the unboxing itself. First thing out of the box, you will see the hero product. And they come with 3 colors. One is black, which is right now the one that I'm holding. One is a pink and also a pearl white. And this thing running in the promotion price, which is only 5 Sing dollar, which is about 3 USD. So as for value wise, it's really great. Design wise looks good, so there's nothing much you can complain about. The height can be also extended, which extends about 3.5 cm, and angle wise you can actually rotate 180. Bottom side there is these 4 rubber feet to prevent from sliding off the desk, and the base is actually made out of ABC plastic, but it's kind of hard plastic, and followed by a metal neck. And the extended neck is actually made out of plastic, so just make sure that when you are pulling out, it's not using too much force. It might break anytime, I guess. And the leg that holds your phone is like a spring off leg, so whenever you're not using, you can close it up and the leg will just fold back by itself. And if you look at it, it actually folds very nicely, and it becomes a very compact size where you can actually put in your bag or in your back pocket if you are a person who doesn't carry bag around. So in this demo session, I'm just going to show you guys how the viewing angle when you place the phone or even down to a tablet. Although overall the material used is very cheap, but this desktop stand serves all the functions that most of us will need, like increasing in height, tilting the viewing angle according to your eye or whichever desk you are using. Multiple angle can be used, even down to 180 degree if you are someone viewing from the top, and it will become a L-shaped stand. And this is a special angle which I don't think a lot of stands can do. So I can push the whole stand down to form like a triangle shape, or because my table is too short, I can actually extend the leg with an increase of 3.5 cm for a better viewing angle. This stand still works well. And one of the great things of this stand is that you can charge it while sitting on the stand, and if you have any urgent call, you can just pick it up and answer it right away without plugging it out and disturb your charging. As compared to the previous one that I bought, which is from iWin Design, once I plug my power cable, I won't be able to move my phone around. So right now I'm just going to do a quick test to see whether does it hold an tablet. Right now I have my 2018 iPad Pro standing at an A-shaped angle, and it seems good enough, but it definitely wobbles a bit. If you're someone who are clumsy, I don't think this is recommended, as it could easily fall off if the angle is not right. Alright guys, that is it for my video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you slap a like button, be my friend by clicking on the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye.